Vastalux Energy Berhad is an ISO-certified multidiscipline construction engineering company for petroleum, petrochemical and natural gas facilities industries in Malaysia. Since 1998, Vastalux has consistently assumed a very active role and has about 250 permanent staff with extensive working experience in diverse range of oil and gas construction services and assets management.
Preferred construction engineering company in oil, gas and petrochemical in the region. In the long term, we want to be one of the company that makes a difference in the industry. We are also looking into penetrating the major fabrication business to open new market segment in onshore maintenance services, entering the offshore deep water services, making strategic investment in marine and new yachts. In addition, we are also looking into expanding business overseas, and currently we already had operation in Indonesia and also Vietnam.
Our mission is to be competitive, competent and a leader in the core business of hookup and commissioning, topside major maintenance, minor fabrication and onshore construction. And also to commit to the clients of our work culture, which is driven by quality, timely job completion and unfailing protection to health, safety and the environment. We also continuously develop and retain highly skilled, motivated and professional workforce, which will generate the dynamics for extending the boundaries of our core competencies.
The board of directors and top management of the company comprises individuals who are experts in the industry by their own virtue. Vastalux's key management and project supervising personnel have over 400 man-years of project experience in oil and gas. Through the years, Vastalux has worked hard to meet the demanding needs by Petronas and its subsidiary companies and the other production sharing contractors, namely Murphy Sarawak Oil Company Limited and Carigali Hess Operating Company Sdn Berhad, to name a few. Since 1995, Vastalux has also made important achievements down the years, from being the main contractor in 2003, successfully raising the 100 million ringgit Syukuk Musyarakah Islamic bond in 2005, acquiring its first marine vessel MV Vasta Jati in 2006, certified with ISO 9001-2000 quality management system in 2007, penetrating into downstream onshore construction project in 2007 and expanding business overseas, namely Indonesia in 2007 and Vietnam in 2008. Vastalux's oil and gas business activities consist of services and assets management. The range of business activities are onshore and offshore hookup and commissioning, offshore topside and onshore facilities maintenance, offshore underwater services, marine services, minor fabrication and onshore construction. Vastalux caters to both upstream and downstream segments. Our clientele includes Petronas Carigali Sdn Berhad, Petronas Methanol Labuan Sdn Berhad, Malaysian Refining Company Sdn Berhad, Murphy Sarawak Oil Company Limited and Carigali Hess Operating Company Sdn Berhad. Vastalux is expected to expand further its sales order book and customer base locally and internationally in the future.
Since the graduation of the company as main contractor to Petronas in 2003, the company has expanded by leap and bound. And in terms of revenue, for the past 5 years, it has expanded by 43% year on year. For instance, in 2003, the company registered revenue of 40 million, and in the last financial year 2007, the company registered revenue of 140 million approximately.
Between the financial years 2003 and 2007, Vastalux had an annual revenue growth of 42.7%. For the financial year between 2007 and 2008, revenues expected to increase by 18.4% and profit after tax margins expected to increase at an annual growth of 2.12%. With years of active participation in the oil and gas industry, Vastalux's accomplishment and professionalism are beyond doubt. Vastalux has received various awards and recognitions mostly for our good HSE performance. Vastalux's competitive advantages are Petronas-approved licenses and registrations, market reputation and established track record, strong in-house engineering capabilities, high standard of quality reflected by our ISO 9001-2000 certification, in-house minor fabrication facilities and workshop, and owner of a marine vessel to complement our offshore services. These competitive advantages act as a barrier to entry to the industry newcomers and Vastalux's competitive edge over its competitors. The future promises better opportunities and brighter prospects for Vastalux. We plan to penetrate the major fabrication business, opening new market segment in onshore maintenance services to complement our offshore maintenance services, entering the offshore deepwater services specifically in hookup and commissioning and topside maintenance, strategic investment in assets acquisition in the form of marine vessels and new fabrication yard, and expanding to new geographical locations in addition to our presence in Indonesia and Vietnam market. Vastalux, moving ahead, staying ahead.